Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and the Son begat the Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashon Kadash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, or Akim or Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of Matthew 24, verse 6, and that's going to be the title of the sit-down lesson. And this is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 6, and it reads, "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must first come to pass, but the end is not yet." Right, so that Yahweh Shai spoke about these signs that's going to occur in these times of increasing of wars and rumors of wars. And we see the increasing and building up of these wars and rumors of wars between the nations. That goes into ethnos, nation against nations, kingdom against kingdom. So we're going to continue to see that increasing, and that's what we're seeing as of right now. We're seeing this situation as of for the past couple of days. We're seeing the Trump administration of the United States Army use a heavy missile campaign against the Houthi rebels, which is a pro-Iranian group over there in Yemen, and escalation has been heating up. For the past two and a half years over there in the Red Sea, over there in the Gulf of Eden, and over there in the Red Sea, and over there in the Mediterranean Sea, throughout that whole region. We've been seeing escalations heating up between, the United States armies versus the Houthi rebels, which is a pro-Iranian group, which they are increasingly in solidarity with the Palestinians. Because you've been having heavy raids and seditions and escalations between both sides. So they are in solidarity with the Palestinians, especially with the latest moves with the Israel Defense Force been doing against, against the Palestinians and against the peoples over there in Gaza. Even though they have a momentary ceasefire between in that region, even though escalations has been sparking up ever since then. So you've been having heavy escalations over there in the Gaza Strip, the Palestinian territory, and the West Bank as well too. The tensions between the Israel Defense Force going against the resistance of the Palestinians. And you've been having Iran versus Israel that have been heating up, the pro-Iranian groups going against the Israel Defense Force. And then the coalition forces of Great Britain and the United States and the Israel Defense Force using their air strike campaign as of yesterday, and especially for the past 2 days, against the Israel Defense Force. Against the pro-Iranian groups, which is the Houthi rebels. And then in retaliations, I believe you had the Houthi rebels been targeting U.S. aircraft carriers over there in the Red Sea. So these are signs of wars and rumors of wars between the nations, which is only going to continue to increase. And we've seen what's been taking place down there in the Korean Peninsula, North Korea versus South Korea, Japan, and United States. As of last week, you had North Korea launch more multiple ballistic missiles, which they've been doing for many years, and still as of lately. So that's only going to stir up more tensions between the nations of North Korea versus South Korea, Japan, and United States down there in the Korean Peninsula. And the tensions between China versus Taiwan, that's only going to continue to increase. And you had China versus the Philippines over there, disputed territorial waters. That's only going to continue to increase. The Russia-Ukraine situation and all these different nuclear escalations and tensions, which is only going to continue to increase. So these are increasing signs of wars and rumors of wars that we're going to see increase more and more. Matthew 24, verse 6, "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must first come to pass, but the end is not yet." Right, so it's going to come to pass, but it's not going to end just yet. Now these actually wars and rumors of wars are starting to build up and see more of nuclear wars, So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of Matthew 24, verse 6. That was the title of the sit-down lesson. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashon Kadash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, wa Akim Aqua. Until next time, I would say Shalom.